Hi guys! So today I'll be showing you my makeup routine and also how I get ready for school. So let's get started! First of all, I need to apologize you guys if I shocked you with my bare face. But anyways, I just got my hair washed and I haven't brushed it. So first of all, I'm gonna brush it with a comb. Just gently brush it. I'm gonna apply this spray to my hair. I forgot to mention this is rice milk essence. So my hair is soft and silky. Next, I'm gonna apply my skincare. I'll be using Hada Labo whitening lotion, 2 drops, and then apply it on my face. Next, I'm applying a revitalizing serum from the Face Shop. Next, I'm going to start with my makeup, and this is where the magic begins. I use Innisfree weightless foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it on the back of my hands like so, and then I'm just gonna apply with my, where's my, here it is. This is my foundation brush from Innisfree. So I'm just gonna apply this on my face just by tapping like so, and then just dabbing in. This will create an makeup no makeup effects. So I'm just gonna blend it in with my brush and let the magic begins. Can you spot the difference? Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna apply a concealer from NARS to help reduce my red spots and also my dark spots and the scars from pimples. Just tap it in, and then oh, I forgot my sunscreen. So I'm just gonna apply the sunscreen on my makeup, but basically I just applied before makeup. Now my makeup is ruined. It's getting cakey. But anyways, I'm just gonna apply my lipstick on, the matte lipstick. And what's cool about this is you can use it as lips and cheeks. So I'm applying this for my full lips, and then I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink for the inside to create ombre lips look. And for the blush, I'm gonna use NARS Orgasm. I'm gonna show you the inside like so. Oh, now you can see the reflection of my bed sheets and the combs too. So I'm just gonna use this with Real Technique brush, the sculpting brush, and apply on my cheek like so. You have to smile and then just apply it. Maybe a little bit on the nose to create a younger look, because I'm a senior year, right? But I want to look like a freshman. Last but not least, I'm going to use my perfume. So today I'm going to put Katy Perry Eau de Perfume on. I've been using it for like 4 or 5 years already, and I'm so proud of it. I almost used it up. It's almost empty now. Yay! I'm done!